In digital system, there are two types of circuits. First is combinational circuit and second one is sequential circuit. So I have taken the example of combinational circuit, that is multiplexer. So the example of 2:1 is shown here. This is 2:1 multiplexer. Since in this case there are two inputs D0, D1, one output Y, and S0 is the select line. See the detailed circuit of this 2:1 multiplexer, which includes two NAND gates, one OR gate. This is D0, this is D1. Select line is applied to this inverter to the first NAND gate and as it is to the second NAND gate, and finally the result is added, which gives the output. So in this case, if the select line is 0, then Y will be D0. If select line is 1, then Y will be D1. So what happens in this case? If select line is 0, the Y will be connected to D0, and if select line is 1, Y will be connected to this D1. Likewise. Now the equations, final equations means output expression is S0 bar D0. If S0 bar, that means 0, then that is D0 plus S0 D1. Next type is 4:1 mux. So how to calculate the select lines in 4:1 mux? So 2:n=1, that is the type of mux. So in the 4:1 mux, 2:2, that is 1, which means that 2:2, the value of n is 2. So this value is nothing but the select line. So 2:n is to 1, which means 4:1. So in case of 4:1, 2:2 is 4. Among this, the value of n is 2, and this number is nothing but the number of select lines, S0, S1. See the truth table now. S0 and S1 both are select lines. So both are 0, means Y will be connected to D0. Likewise, if it is 1, 0, then we are getting D1. If it is 0, 1, then output will be D2, and final both select lines are on, which means that Y is connected to the D3. Now see, other type is demultiplexer, which is exact opposite of multiplexer. So take the example of 1:2 demultiplexer. So in this case, input is 1, there are two outputs and one select line. So what happened in this case? See the truth table. If select line is 0, then first output will be D in, and if select line is 1, then second output will be D in. Likewise, this operation will be performed. So based on the select lines, if select line is 0, then Y0 will be connected to D in, or if S0 is 1, then Y1 will be connected to D in. Likewise. Now, based on multiplexer and demultiplexers, other types are encoder and decoder. Encoder is equivalent to multiplexer, decoder is equivalent to demultiplexer. But in this case, the input lines are absent or output lines are absent. See in detail, in encoder, the output lines are absent and the select lines are considered as an output. In the decoder, the input lines are absent and select lines are considered as an input. Again, I repeat, in the encoder, same like multiplexer, but the output lines are absent and the select lines are considered as an output. And in decoder, same like demultiplexer, but input lines are absent and select lines are considered as an input. Okay, now this is the internal circuit of 2:1 encoder. So the truth table based on this combinational circuit is, if D0 is 1, then output will be 0, and if D1 is 1, then output will be 1. Likewise, in the decoder, if S0 is 0, means input is 0, then first output will be on, and if input is 1, then second output will be on. Again I repeat, S0 means input line is 0, then first output will be selected, and in the second row means S0 is 1, then second output will be selected. Thank you.